Raider Power Tools presents Auto Darkening Welding Helmet RD WH03. The Welding Auto Darkening Helmet RD WH03 has two sensors and can be used both with inverter welding machines and with working with an angle grinder. The wider DIN dimming range from 9 to 13 is achieved by smooth adjustment of the outside of the helmet. Convenient adjustment on the horizontal or vertical circumference of the head with one locking rotary button without the need to remove the helmet. Three-stage adjustment of the helmet angle for convenience when welding in different positions. Optical Class 1112. Filter dimension 110 x 90 x 9 mm. View size 92 x 42 mm. Light state shade DIN 4. Switching time from light to dark 1/25,000th of a second. UV and infrared protection, permanent DIN 16. Power supply with solar cells and lithium-ion battery. Fully automatic on and off. Operating temperature from -10 to +55 degrees Celsius.